Whether for your car, home, or workplace, glass.com is the easiest way to find the glass and glazing services you need. Combining glass industry know-how and media savvy, we strive to provide information to consumers and offer referrals to quality glass service providers throughout the United States. Glass.com is a free, full-service web and information portal about all things glass, including architectural, residential, and automotive glass, as well as related glass products such as tabletops, shower doors, mirrors, windows, and more. Connecting you with qualified glass companies in your area, we make meeting your glass needs easy. And with convenient booking right on the glass.com site, we help you save time and headaches. We offer a variety of top-level services including auto glass. From windshields to side mirrors and everything in between, we've partnered with leading auto glass industry professionals across the country to provide exceptional service. Windows and doors. Whether you need window glass repaired or if you want to replace inefficient windows, we've got you covered. Our dealers specialize in a wide variety of window repair projects. Shower glass. We can guide you to professionals who can help with everything from repair to creating custom shower enclosures, no matter the texture or color. Mirrors. No matter what kind of mirror you seek, framed, full, partial wall, or for a commercial space, we'll help you create something that will reflect well on you. This service is by special request only, meaning we don't instantaneously match you with local affiliates. Instead, we take the time to find the right local shop for your project. Tabletops and furniture. Need a new tabletop, glass shelving, or other piece of furniture? This special request service can help you create the living or working space of your dreams. Storefronts. Want your business to stand out from the rest? Need some remodeling to help bring your company into the modern era? This service is for those in need of a new or remodeled storefront. Tell us about your project, and we can connect you with the best glass shop in your area by special request. Unique vehicles. When it comes to transportation, there's so much more out there than automobiles. Planes, trains, heavy equipment? We've got you covered. Custom services. Glass.com can help you create a one-of-a-kind project. From small works of art to larger residential projects, we can help bring any glass project into fruition. No matter if the glass is in a car or a building, we can help. Getting a free estimate for any of these services is easy. Simply pick the service you're in need of and enter your zip code at the top of our homepage. Or go to our individual services page to learn more information and enter your zip code there. Once you enter that, on the following page, you'll be asked to fill out more information about your project. Each service will have its own requirements of what kind of information is needed. Have all your information entered? A free quote is only a click away. For our auto, windows, and doors and shower door services, these quotes will happen almost immediately as we match you with glass.com affiliates in your area. For our other services, which require a little more time as we connect you with a local shop in your area, we'll get you a quote as quickly as we can. At glass.com, we work hard to connect you with qualified and quality glass service providers. Using our affiliate network, we promise ease and convenience no matter where you're located. Start your search for new glass now.